Hey guys, so we're going to keep this really simple today. I just wanted to send out a blast message about having an opinion in your business, number one, and number two, actually doing stuff. So I was in the shower and I just thought to myself about a lot of the successful people I know. And one of the huge things that they all have in common is that they are not afraid to express themselves, even if it pisses people off. And you know what? A lot of the times, if you're talking to somebody who absolutely does not know what they're doing in business, they will tell you, oh, you should really stay away from anything that might be deemed controversial, don't upset anybody. And you know what? Of course, you don't want to upset people about things that aren't aligned with you. But I'm going to be honest with you. If you're a conservative person, like politically, and you have strong beliefs about that, and you don't want to deal with like liberal people, for example, in your business, you should talk about it. Because why would you want people in your business that you don't have an interest in working with and that might even get on your nerves, to be honest with you? Or, for example, if you're a Christian, why would you want to attract people that deal with like tarot cards and oracles and all that kind of stuff? Because it's not that you don't care about them, you just can't relate to them. And it's going to be awfully hard for you to help them when you're not speaking the same language. So how you can relate this to direct sales business on Instagram and any other places that you're posting on social media, I highly encourage you to go on rants, okay? I noticed this. I've been noticing different people in my industry and outside of my industry, when they go on rants, oh my gosh, when I do it too, my stuff blows up. I get tons of likes and follows when I do that stuff because people love it and they share it sometimes too. And sometimes it does piss a couple of people off, but the thing is, I don't really go on rants about things that I wouldn't want to upset my actual target market, because I know actually there are a lot of things that my target market might not agree with me on. So those things I don't talk about though, usually because I don't want to upset people about things that don't really have anything to do with our common mission, if that makes sense. But it doesn't change the fact that I'm still outspoken about what I do believe in. I'm just more careful about the way I talk about it instead of just blasting about things I see that get on my nerves. So I hope that makes sense. Like the other day, for example, if you look at my feed, I talk about how, I'm just sick of seeing these people trying to coach other people how to be successful, especially on Instagram, when they were never successful in the first place on their own accounts. They were only successful because some company started to promote them. So it's like, how are you supposed to teach anybody how to be successful? It's like, well, you're going to teach people that they better hope to be picked up by some company to be successful or be promoted by someone else to be successful? Doesn't make any sense. Now, clearly, I'm not against like partnerships with people, but I think that if you're going to teach other people, you better know how to do it yourself first. Otherwise, what are you going to teach them? So I hope that makes sense. I'm all for advancing yourself and getting outside the box, but seriously, just think about that when you're taking advice from somebody, okay? I didn't have anybody promote me at all until this past month, and it was somebody who was in my field, and, we had kind of watched each other for a few months before we decided to do that, and obviously, I didn't need her help to get where I was in the first place. I already had tons and tons of followers on Instagram and a following on social media. So that is all I'm trying to say about that. And the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is I keep seeing people buy courses, and not just my course, but like other courses. I know I've seen like the different Facebook groups that they're part of. And I really get sad when I see them because I feel like they keep buying these programs and these courses thinking that there's going to be some kind of magic sauce to help propel them and to change their business, when really it's not, because they're not actually putting the stuff into practice. And I don't understand that, guys. Like, if you're going to buy a program or a course, you need to do something. And even if you don't buy a program or a course, you need to do stuff in your business. Because if you keep doing the same things that you're already doing, if you're not getting the results that you want, what makes you think that anything's going to change? It's not. So whether you buy a program to learn new things or dig and dig on the internet for a year like I had to do to learn it, which I really don't advise, just invest in a program that you resonate with for a couple $100. Like, really, you want to waste another year and all that money? No. But anyway, just whatever you're learning, you need to implement it in your business, because you're never going to move forward otherwise, and you're just going to keep staying stuck, and you're going to keep complaining, and you're going to keep wondering what the heck is wrong, and you're just going to keep blaming yourself or maybe even other people. So I just highly advise not doing that. So those are my two big tips here. I was going to actually write a blog, but I was like, I don't feel like writing a blog right now. I feel like just blasting some stuff for them. And I hope this helped you. If it did help, leave a comment wherever I'm posting this video. I think it's going to be on my blog. And if you haven't already done that, for brand new people that came into my tribe, coming into the tribe, I set up a 10-day Instagram training program on my website, and I'll link it. If you've already seen my live trainings or anything like that, you already know this stuff, so it's not anything new. But for new people, I put a ton of information in there for you, and I think it's going to blow you away. So I'm really excited that I got that going for you. I think it's really going to help, and I wish you a blessed rest of your day.